everyone, this is Anushri. I hope everyone is doing good. In this video, we are going to see how to create targets. Firstly, we'll log into Sugar instance using our Sugar credentials given by our admin. After logging in, towards the left top of the screen, there is a extended menu. Once we click on it, there will be several modules we can see. So, search for the targets module. Then click on targets module and to create the targets, click on create button which is present at the right top of the screen. Once we click the create button, it will take us to the targets module tab. Here in targets module tab, we can see so many fields like salutation, first name, last name, account name, title, department, email address, mobile and many more. So first we'll start with salutation. Under the salutation there is a drop down action menu. So once we click on it, here we can see several options. So we'll choose for Miss. Salutation is given according to the first name. So now we'll enter the first name. Now we'll enter the last name. First name and last name is entered. Now we'll move on to account name. For account name, we'll take an example. That is, Nidika Patil belongs to a Wipro company. Now Wipro should be the account name. So we'll enter the Wipro name here. So this account should be there in the accounts module as a record. Now we'll move on to title. Title is nothing but Nidika Patil's role in Wipro company. Like what is the role of Nidika Patil in Wipro company? So it might be anything like HR, accountant, developer, whatever. Now we'll take an accountant. Next we have department. In department, this accountant belongs to which department? That is what we should enter here in department field. Nothing but accountant belongs to finance and accounts department. So we'll enter the same. Next we'll move on to email address. Here we should give the email address. Once the email address is given, if we want to give an alternative email address, then click on this plus button. When we click on this, it will provide a space to add an alternative email address. Next is mobile. Mobile is nothing but we should enter the mobile number. Next is tags. Tags is nothing but, for example, think Wipro is a product based company or a manufacture based company or a service based company. It is a product based company. So here we'll tag it to product. That means Wipro is a product based company. Now we'll enter the primary address and alternative address. Here first we have a street. We'll enter the street. Now we'll enter the city. Now it's state. Next is postal code. Next is country. By default, whatever we add in primary address, it is automatically populated in the alternative address. If we want, we can change. Here we can change. Now we have changed the alternative address. Now we'll move on to office phone. Office phone is nothing but we should give the phone number of the office. Here we'll give an phone number. Next is Twitter account. Twitter account should be of the whatever we gave in the first name and last name, their Twitter account should be given in Twitter account. So here we have assigned to. Assigned to is the admin or a user. Whoever the user is, their name will be defaultly defaultly entered here in the assigned to. Next is description. Description should be about the who description should be about the customer, like what is Nidhika Patil's role in Wipro and how much experience she had in IT company, and all that should be entered as a description. This is the description about the customer. Next, we have a Teams. In Teams, global Teams is the default Teams given by. At last, click on Save button to save the records. Once we save the records, we can see the targets records here also. Here we can see the three dotted button. When we click on this, here we have an option called View Targets. When we click on this, it will display all the targets which we have created. Now we had created Nidhika Patil. So when we click on this, we can see all the details of Nidhika Patil. Thank you.